Hey everyone, welcome to Fable Pixels. This is Pixel Tease, a new series where I take a quick look at retro PC components and relive the spirit of the 2000s. Short, fun and mysterious, just enough to make you curious. In each Pixel Tease, I'll mention the number of likes needed for this component to get a full video, whether it's a detailed review, test or part of a retro build. Your likes will help decide what content appears next on the channel. If you enjoyed this, leave a like and subscribe to follow the projects and not miss new Pixel Tease episodes. Check this out, the Zalman CNPS 7000 AlCu. Back in 2003, this cooler was a game changer for anyone chasing a quiet PC. It combined aluminum and copper to keep temperatures down while staying whisper quiet. It could handle Athlon XP, Athlon 64, Pentium 4 and Core 2 Duo processors, even the hot-running Prescott chips. This cooler was a true hero, keeping those high TDP CPUs under control. It came with all sorts of mounting kits, and later a new bracket was added for Intel LGA 775. It even included a fan mate to tweak the fan speed just how you like it. A true classic that still makes retro PC enthusiasts smile. Alright, now it's time to vote. We need 100 likes to unlock a full video with history, tests and maybe a complete retro build around this cooler. If the full video is already live, check the links at the top and at the end of this clip. So hit that like button, because your vote decides what's next.